Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. A very new profile, very quick, very short news bits, tidbits here from the channel. Unmatched, unrivaled, unfiltered, and uncensored, and all that good stuff. 23 altcoins have massive token unlocks this week. So you might, if you are in the project, you might want to keep your hats on. Also expect some downside, but they will happen in the following order. On the 14th of August, which is today, the Sandbox is unlocking 820 million worth, 122 million worth of tokens. That's going to be released on the market. UXD protocol, UXP, the ticker, will unlock 1.98 million tokens worth of tokens. RSS3, which is, I have no idea what that is, 2.72 million tokens, and Bico will release 5.78 million tokens. Artificial Liquid Intelligence will release 4 million tokens onto the market. On the 15th of August, which is tomorrow, ZBC will release 2.59 million. Everdome will release 1.89 million. BitDAO will release 90 million worth of tokens, and Synthetics Network Token will release 7.89 million onto the market. And on the 16th, which is in 2 days, we're gonna have Egoverse with 1.6 million. Uniswap will release 51 million worth of tokens. That's massive for Uniswap. On the 17th, it's the Graph, 7.7 million. Band Protocol, 5.2 million. And then Super Rare, 1.3 million. And Oxygen is coming up with $2.8 million on the 18th. Lido, DAO, $14 million. And Primer will drop 3.8 million. Bacarunos, as well as Oasis Network with 7.8 million. And then we've got 2 more million from Echelon Prime. No idea what that is. Aurora on the 19th, 1.3 million. Winners, 1.15 million. And then on August 20th, ThorSwap, 1.7 million, and Xena with 1.32 million. So that's what's coming up. Beware that there may be a slight drop. Also, if you haven't seen my other video, there is a chance that the Bitcoin ETF will not be approved. Spot ETF will not be approved. So if you're interested in that, check out my previous video. The last live that streamed just a little while ago, that's where I talk about that. Just a quick update to keep you updated. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.